Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a double-click Apple Pay grayed out or not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. So very first thing you want to start by doing is going to your setting. Now from your setting here, generally you can go into your wallet and Apple Pay and then click on Apple Pay defaults. And then from there on, you should see an option for a double-click side button. Now, you may just be able to turn this on and off, and that should ungray it out. Now, in a case you can't do this, the moving on to the next setting that you want to check out is you're going to go into your main settings here. Make sure that you're signed into your Apple account. And additionally, from your Apple account, you're going to tap on iCloud, and then where it says see all things in iCloud, you want to ensure that your wallet is basically turned on here if you have the wallet app here. So if you have it here, you just want to turn it on and off if it's already on, and if it's off, go ahead and turn it on. Now, next thing you want to do is go back into your main settings, and this time you're going to go to your Face ID and passcode and enter your passcode or password to get into the setting. From there on, you're going to go down below where it says allowed access when locked. Make sure wallet is turned on. And if it is turned on, just turn on and off, but ideally you want this on. Now go back to your main settings, and this time you're going to check out screen time. And in the screen time under restriction, specifically content and privacy restriction, you're going to tap on that and then click on allowed apps and feature. You're going to ensure that wallet is turned on. If it is turned on, turn it off and on again, and then go back. And temporarily you want to turn off content and privacy restriction and then go ahead and try. Now, if you did all of that and you're still not seeing the issue being fixed, just go ahead and do a simple restart. You can do this by using the volume up and the side button. You're going to press and hold and then simply slide to power off and then hold this big side button until the phone turns back on. Or you can pull down the top menu, click on the power icon up top here and then slide to power off and then power back on with the side button, or just connect it to a charger and that should turn it on as well. And that's all you need to do to fix it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.